Hi, I'm Connie. I'm with the Naples Garden Club, and I'm here today to discuss container gardening. Along with me is Arlene. She'll be assisting me.
You will need a container. Must have drainage holes. Potting soil that has been mixed with some perlite and organic fertilizer. Your spade, plastic bottles, watering can. Keep your plant nice and healthy and well fed. Okay, this is an example of how we're going to put our container together. This is a heavy clay pot, so rather than use stones or something to fill up a little bit at the bottom so we don't have to use as much soil, we will use some plastic bottles that we've recycled. What I do, you can see I have taken off the lid and I crush them. So 3 will be enough for this. And I will pass it down to Arlene, who will fill it halfway with soil. Gently pull it out of your container, and you'll see it has a nice root base. You want to break up those roots a little bit. And there we are. Okay, once you have your soil in, you want to make sure it's about at least an inch below the tip of your container, because when you water, you don't want all of that dirt spilling out and getting the area around your container dirty. Save your tags if the plant does come with a tag. If you want everything to always look pretty, check, like for example, this little leaf has got, you might want to take that off. You want to take a good look at the leaves, make sure you don't have any little critters anywhere. And this will start to fill in. Don't overcrowd your plants. One example of plant design is color. These plants are an example of an analogous color design as shown here on the color wheel. So as you see, we have yellows and greens, and they're different shades within that color spectrum. And the reason we do things in the triangle design, you usually see what's at the top of the triangle first. This plant is your thriller, 2 fillers. The croton became a spiller.